Hello Ultimate Trading family, on today's video, I will be showing you how to create your own expert advisor or indicator without any programming or coding knowledge. In just 5 simple steps you can create and build your strategy to suit your trading needs. I will be using an online-based tool called Easy Forex Builder. On their website, the tool has incorporated all the tools and indicators necessary for developing a strategy robot for MT4 platform. Automating your strategy is very convenient because you will not spend a lot of time on the charts. Building a strategy has been simplified. Using the EFB constructor, you can create your expert advisor, then backtest it using the inbuilt strategy tester to see possible results. Some of the expert advisors created by the EFB Builder tool are performing good on the markets. Monitoring using my FX book. Visit the EFB website to view detailed statistics. Read and understand the developing process of a strategy testing process. It may take up to 8 months to come up with the best working expert advisor. Try the demo version for free and learn how you can build your strategy into an expert advisor. My strategy will be based on exponential moving average 7 and MT14 crossover. Just a simple illustration on how you can develop and build your strategy into a MT4 or MT5 robot. The wizard will guide you on creating your first expert advisor based on the basic operations needed to run a trading robot. Follow the steps. The EFB Builder has 3 main logic to help you build your strategy. The elements, which is the indicators, the operations, which set the rules of the trade, and the actions, which implements the entry conditions, such as buy or sell actions. You simply drag and drop the indicators that you want to use, and edit the parameters. In this case I'm using exponential moving average 7. Click on Apply to save the settings. Add the other exponential moving average 14. The strategy is when MT7 crosses MT14. On the operations, drag and drop the crosses from bottom to top operation for a buy action. You can add take profit and stop loss condition on the buy order you created. Click on Continue to save. Next step, create the sell condition. For sell conditions, drag and drop the exponential moving average 7 and click on Apply. Also drag and drop the moving average and change the method to exponential and the MA period to 14. Click on Apply. In operations, for a sell condition to happen, the MA7 has to cross MA14 from top to bottom. Drag and drop that operation. Input the stop loss and take profit parameters. These will be adjustable on the MT4 and MT5 platforms. Click on Continue. A buy stop is an instruction to your broker to set a buy entry on the market at a predetermined price. You can choose to add this function or skip it. You can use the price indicator instrument to set the predetermined price. On the settings, on type choose close, change the shift function to 1. Click on Apply. The price should be greater to place a buy stop. On operations, drag and drop the greater than symbol to assign this function. Use various indicators to set a buy stop. I will add an exponential moving average with 200 period, which simply means to set buy stops when the price moves above the MA200 only. On the Actions tab, drag and drop the Open Pending Order. For the EA to set the buy entries when conditions are met. Add Sell Stop condition. It's the same procedure. Drag and drop the price instrument, change the shift to 1. Add the MA200 indicator, but on the operations use the less than symbol to dictate when the robot can set sell stops. Only below MA200. On the Actions tab, drag and drop the Open Pending Order. For the EA to set the sell limit entries when conditions are met. Click on Next to continue to next step. A buy limit is an instruction to place a buy order below the current price if and only when the market price reaches that point in future. For predefined functions to happen, implement the price instrument. Drag and drop and set the shift to 2. Click Apply. On the operations, use the less than symbol to direct when the price is below the set indicator. You can configure any indicator to set the buy limits. I will use the Bollinger Bands with the default settings. When the price breaks below the bands, the EA should place a buy limit. In short, place a reversal buy trade. On the Actions tab, drag and drop the Open Pending Order and edit the general settings provided. Click on Next after you finish setting. The sell limit order is a pending order to enter a short or a sell position on the market above the current price level. Same procedure, drag and drop the price instrument and change the shift to 2. Set it against the indicator you want to set sell limits. On operations, drag and drop the greater than symbol to measure when the price breaks above your set indicator. In this case I'm using the Bollinger Bands default settings. When the price breaks above the bands, that EA should place sell limits. In short, a reversal sell setup. Click on Apply. On the Actions tab, drag and drop the Open Pending Order to set the sell limits when the set conditions are met. Click on Next to move to next building phase. Most of the strategy logic has been created. You can edit your strategy and add more logic and rules. Click on Save and Update. All the rules you created will be displayed. You can click on each rule and customize it. Click on Add an empty rule to add the remaining logics of an EA, like buy exit and sell exit rules. Click on the pen to edit the name of the rule. I will be adding the buy exit rules. Click on Save. Buy exit conditions dictates when you can close your trade based on certain market indicators. I will be using the moving average convergence, divergence, or MACD. On the global settings, edit the fast EMA period to 15 and the signal period to 1 and click on Apply. On the operations, drag and drop crosses from top to bottom operation. This means that when the MACD lines crosses over each other above the zero line of the histogram, the buy trade should close. On the elements, drag and drop the value element to define your rule. On the settings, the number should be 0, click on Apply. For the EA to follow this rule, you need an action to give an instruction to the EA to exit buy order when the MACD lines cross each other from the top. Drag and drop, close all orders by type, and on the settings choose Buy Action and click Apply. Buy Exit rule has been defined. Next, create the Sell Exit rule. Click on Add Empty Rule and edit it to be Sell Exit. Same conditions for a sell trade to close. On elements, drag and drop the MACD indicator. Edit the global settings, change the fast EMA period to 15 and signal period to 1. No other changes. Click on Apply to save. On the Operations tab, drag and drop crosses from bottom to top operation. This means that when the MACD lines crosses from bottom to top below the histogram, the sell trade should close. Drag and drop the value element to define the rule. On the settings, the number should be 0, click on Apply. Now give the instruction to your robot to exit a sell trade. On the Action tab, drag and drop, close all orders by type. On the settings, change the action to sell and click on Apply to save. Make sure all the basic rules and conditions required by a trading robot to run have been set and customized properly to suit your trading style and strategy. To save your strategy, click on Save. The EFB Strategy Builder has an inbuilt strategy tester tool with all the major markets data. You can backtest the strategy you created using this tester and see the possible returns and drawdown of your EA based on past market data. After finishing everything, you can download a copy of your Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 4 version. MetaTrader 5 version will be available soon. Download link for the EA that I have created is available below this video on the description section. Visit the website and build your indicator or expert advisor using well-illustrated procedure and simple graphical user interface that helps you easily navigate the Easy Forex Builder tool. Use my affiliate link and get 10% off your first purchase when you upgrade your account to Pro. The Pro subscription lets you have access to all the features of the Easy Forex Builder tool. In case of any question regarding this tool, you can message the EFB support via live chat or via email that is displayed on their website. An agent will get in touch with you and assist you with your questions. That's all for this video tutorial. Leave a comment if you would like to see more tutorial of this Easy Forex Builder tool. Join my 3 official Telegram channels to access free trading systems, robots, indicators and signals. Access links pinned on the comment section. Leave a like and hit that subscribe button to get notifications every time I post a video. Thank you for your watch time. I'm out. Peace.
Talk to you soon. I got work to do.